Today, let's introduce our TGTIG new Drill WC series inserts. 0.01毫米 high precision cutting edge, equipped with nano coating technology. In low load machining, the service life exceeds 200小时 hours, which is 5 times longer than that of ordinary inserts. Whether it is stainless steel, hardened steel, or ordinary steel, a variety of groove designs with complete specifications, very resistant and durable, with high cost performance, various patterns to handle workpieces effortlessly. What other problems are plaguing your machining scenarios? Click the comment section below to share your thoughts.